Whoa. Okay. It's still the middle of the night. There are still mobs spawning way over there, and I'm gonna start storing some of this stuff that I don't need right now. Like this stone slabs. Where'd that come from? I don't know. But all I care about right now is this. Okay, hold on, that's really echoey. I don't know where. Okay, I don't care. Yeah, there's a lot of mobs. That's a good sign. Where's that spider? Whoa! You're not gonna kill me, spider. Oh, and you're not getting rid of that. No, 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 creeper. No, no. No, no. Did he just walk off? No, he didn't. Oh, that's a lot of skeletons. That's a lot. Okay. That's fine. Is it always snowing here? Okay, I don't see any mobs. Let's head out and just... Somehow, all the mobs disappeared, including the creepers. Yeah, so... First order of business. Stop the spawning. Oop, forgot to start this again. There we go. Yeah, first order of business definitely is to stop the spawning of all of those stupid mobs. The more light I have up, the better. Okay, that's all my torches. No melons grew overnight. Now let's check out this. It froze over back. It refroze. And oh looky, just as I had expected. Well, no, it's not bad. It's not bad. Okay. Can do. I need some more torches, however, around here. Mainly because last night was hell. Seriously? That was bad. I didn't see any clay. As long as I get one sapling from the tree, I'm happy. Now, I wonder how the mobs are doing up there on the platform. That's something that I'm not going to be happy about. Oh, I hate this mouse. I hate this mouse. There we go.